Your team has been doing incredible things in Fishbowl for years. Sales orders, pick and pack, receiving, transfers. They just had to come to Fishbowl to do it. That all changes with LilyPad Nexus, the Fishbowl web client your team has been asking for. Made for new and existing Fishbowl customers, Nexus puts the Fishbowl workflows your team uses most and brings it into the browser, on a tablet, on a phone, on whatever they're already holding. Same Fishbowl data on a completely streamlined UI. And then Nexus adds even more features. Pallet management, custom reports, now built right in. And with Nexus AI Assistant powered by Claude, you can turn busy work into a simple request. Drag and drop a PO file and turn it into a sales order. Create reports at a glance. Even create an easy reorder, all with a simple request. Fishbowl remains your system of record, while Nexus becomes the part your team actually works in every day, and it stays in sync with everything happening in the desktop client. Fishbowl didn't change. Everything around it did. LilyPad Nexus.